Hey everyone, I'm Sarah from WTI. Do you love a good beauty shortcut as much as I do? Well, if you do, let me introduce you to this set of hot rollers from Conair. I am so pleased with how quickly they heat up and the quality of the curl that I get. The actual hot rollers, even though they heat up quickly, they are soft to the touch and they come with clips that make them so secure when you have them in your hair. Now I have very heavy, long, straight hair, and I am really amazed by how easy it was for me to section it off and roll it up with these hot rollers. They come in 3 different sizes, a large, a medium, and then a small, so it works for different hair lengths and also for layers, which I have. There's no tugging or pulling when you release them, and I'm very impressed by the beautiful curl and bounce that I get from doing my hair with these rollers, and also how long that curl lasts for. This is my favorite shortcut when it comes to doing my hair, especially second day when I've washed it the day before and I want to be able to roll it and set it, put my makeup on, get dressed, and then go. So if you're looking for a beauty shortcut to get lovely, long-lasting curls, I definitely recommend this set of hot rollers from Conair. The fact that these rollers come with 3 different sizes means they're going to fit a variety of hair lengths and types. They heat up fast. They include clips, so they stay in your hair nice and secure while you're getting ready. So it's just going to be a perfect shortcut for you if you want long-lasting, beautiful curls easily. And that is my point of view.